Look how rainy it is outside. I had planned on walking home from my classes, but I think I'm gonna have to wait. In the meantime, we're in Mary Read Hall, and here we have the newly modernized passenger elevator. Not the newly modernized, it's been like this as long as I've been at the school. But in here, we have something much more cool. That's right. Look at this. I hope we're not gonna have to hunt it down. Oh, it's coming. Here it is. Get in the elevator first. This thing's in incredible shape. Like, it's in great shape. All right, let's go down to the basement. Single speed. And look at this. This is like, this must be the the good floor, the okay floor, and the dungeon. Anyway, let's go. The light switch doesn't do anything. Anyway, can you see it? Not really. Let's go up to 5. The 5th floor. Take a peek out there. What's out here? Oh wow, look. Everybody's graduation gowns, it looks like. Interesting. Anyway, back inside. Here's your Otis elevator plate. There's your panel. It's actually the one that's like, I don't know. It's got these like markings on the side. I don't know what that's about. But just do it. Please be considerate. Close the gate. Penis. Anyway, this thing looks the same as it's always been since I've been here. It is very exciting that there's still an original elevator like this on the campus. And I really hope this doesn't get modernized anytime soon, because this thing really is a treat. But anyway, I'll quit blabbing and we'll continue our video. This gate is really smooth. You can tell that they put really good care into this elevator. All right, back down to 1. All right. Look at that. All right, we're gonna end it on 3 where we started. This elevator is a lot of fun. And it's pretty quick too. All right. That gate is really smooth. This entire elevator is in just incredible condition for its age. I believe this elevator is original to 1930. I believe it's original to the building. If not, it was added slightly later, but it's definitely from before the 50s. Regardless, it's in incredible shape for its age.